it's Gabrielle, and this video is a sample from Studyclix Boost, our new rapid revision tool. Go to studyclix.ie/boost to find out more.
Hey folks, it's Stephen here with Studyclix, and in this video we're going to look at finding the mean of a data set. Now the mean is just a type of average, and it's actually the traditional average you'd get of numbers. What do I mean by that? Well, if I look at my formula, I'm saying that the mean equals the sum of the values all over the number of values you have. So it's kind of like we're just adding up all the numbers and we're dividing by the number of numbers we have. So we're going to give this a try here. I'm asked to find the mean of the following data sets, and in part A I have 3, 5, 3.5, 6, 7.5 and 8. And all I'm going to do is follow my formula, and I'm going to say that the mean equals, and we're starting on the top line, the sum of the values. Now sum just means add up. When we add up a list of numbers, we call that the sum of the numbers. So I'm going to add up all the numbers in my data set. I'm taking 3, I'm adding on 5, adding on 3.5, add 6, add 7.5, and add on 8. And then I have to divide all of this by the number of values I have. So in my data set, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, so I'm dividing by 6. Next thing I want us to do is just to whack this straight into the calculator. I know some people might work it out bit by bit, but the examiner won't give you extra marks for doing that. So we're just going to take our shortcut here. Okay, so we have our calculator here. We need to press the fraction button first and input the top line exactly as we see it. 3 plus 5 plus 3.5 plus 6 plus 7.5 plus 8. And then on the bottom, we need to go down and have 6. And we're going to press equals, and we're going to change this to a decimal to get 5.5. So here, my mean equals 5.5. And that's all there is to it. We sum the values together by adding them up, and we divide by the number of values we have. Let's try this out on part B. So here I'm going to say my mean equals, and we're going to have to add together all the values of minus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 8 plus 11. And what I'll do is I'll just put the minus 3 in brackets to keep it nice and safe there. I'm adding on 5, adding on 2, adding on 7, add 8 and add 11, and I'm dividing by the number of values I have in this list, and if I count them up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 numbers in this list, and then we're going straight over to the calculator. We're pressing the fraction button first, and then I'm inputting the numbers exactly as I see it. Minus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 8 plus 11, all divided by 6. And here I get 5. So here, the mean of those numbers is 5. Overall, that's all there is to the mean, folks. What we need to know is that the mean equals the sum of the values divided by the number of values you have. Now it's your turn to try your hand at some of these. Pause the video here and check in with the solutions when they appear on screen. In question 1, you can see we've just followed our method by summing together the values, adding them all up, and dividing by the number of values we have. In question 2, they've added a bit of context to the situation. We just get the mean of each club, and we can see that Club A has a bigger mean, meaning Club A is older on average. Thanks for watching, folks.